This is Jason with TKEV. This is the Happyrun G100 Global Edition, although this is the same for the G100 and the yellow or the black. Obviously, we're at TKEV. Now, looking at the bike, it has a 1,000-watt motor. That's a hub-mounted motor with a peak watt of 2,000 watts. It has two batteries. You have your top battery and your lower one. There's a switch that's located up underneath right there that you switch over for power. Now, these have hydraulic brakes. They also have a key card that you use to turn the bike on. Put that right there and then it turns on. Now you can't see the display, but right now it says 3 and it's flashing because the frame rate's different for that than it is for the camera. But these actually have a bit of grip and go. Now you do have sequential turn signals, which are nice, so you can see that on the front. And very visible in the back as well. They have a high power headlight and a daytime running light. So the running light itself, let's see if you can see it. Yeah, you can get a glimpse of it there. And then the headlight is pretty darn bright. So let's turn that on for giggles. But overall, this bike has cargo capacity on the inside, so you guys should put a backpack here or other things there. There's an available rear rack that comes off of here. Has air shocks for the rear and then gas shocks for the front. So these are adjustable. You can change your compression level here just like so. Gear change, just like you would have on a bike, plus and minus. That's pretty much it. Riding wise, it's a pretty comfortable bike. Now I'm a big guy, about 6'7". So that being said, pretty easy to ride. And the twist throttle is nice. You have cruise control that's built in. And believe it or not, the actual pedals are comfortable for where to keep your feet anyway. And I wouldn't switch it out to pegs. There's no real point. But I have had people that want to put an extra rider on the back, so I'm having to look into pegs for them, probably off of Amazon. And you can take this one off-road. I've done that a few times, but mostly this thing likes being on the road quite a bit. A smooth ride. Right now we're up to 20-something miles an hour. Now the maximum speed on here is about 28. It says 32 to 34. That's going to be the main battery. I'm on the secondary battery right now. And over time, you're going to see that we get a better estimate of range. It's going to depend on weight and what you're doing as far as that goes. But these batteries do hold up well. I have seen people with these with many miles on them. And it's a comfortable bike. This is my shop demo, and it's seen many riders and many miles. So it's still in great shape. So that's the G100 Pro, or the G100. The Pro is going to be different. The battery orientation, this battery is going to be hanging down here, and then you'll have the top battery there, and you'll have a whole different motor setup. Otherwise, same exact frame. It's probably beefed up just a little bit, that's all, because it puts out a lot more power. But this is plenty of power to get around town. 32 to 34 miles an hour is what they advertise for speed, and a 75-mile range. And overall, great looking bike. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thanks.